Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating home remedy that you might not have heard of, sleeping with garlic under your pillow. Stick around to learn about its benefits and how to do it safely. Garlic has been used for centuries, not just in cooking, but also in traditional medicine. Ancient civilizations believed in its healing properties, using it to ward off illness and even negative energies. Many cultures have their unique garlic traditions, and one intriguing practice is placing garlic under your pillow. But what's the science behind this? Let's explore. Benefits of sleeping with garlic. Here are some potential benefits of this unusual practice. Promotes better sleep. Garlic is thought to have calming properties that can help you relax and achieve a better night's sleep. Garlic also helps to repel insects. Garlic's strong odor can help keep pests at bay, creating a more peaceful sleeping environment. Boosts immune function. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties, which can help you fend off colds and other illnesses. Spiritual protection. In some cultures, garlic is believed to ward off negative energies and provide a sense of protection during sleep. While many of these claims are rooted in tradition, the benefits can vary from person to person. How to use garlic under your pillow. Now, if you're interested in trying this out, here's how to do it safely. Choose your garlic. Pick a fresh bulb of garlic. Look for firm cloves without any sprouting. Prep the garlic. You can use a whole clove or a few smashed cloves to release more of its natural oils. Wrap it up. Wrap the garlic in a small cloth or place it in a breathable pouch. This will keep your pillow clean. Place it under your pillow. Put it under your pillow and relax. You can try this for a few nights to see if it works for you. Precautions and considerations. Before you rush to try this remedy, here are a few things to keep in mind. Allergies. If you have garlic allergies, this isn't for you. Odor sensitivity. Some people may find the smell too strong, which could disrupt sleep instead. Not a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider for health issues. This is just a home remedy. So there you have it. Sleeping with garlic under your pillow could have potential benefits, from better sleep to spiritual protection. Have you ever tried this remedy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home remedies and health tips. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams!